Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have learned how to use GlideQuery to insert records. So in this session, we'll learn how to use GlideQuery in business rules to reflect real-time scenarios. For that, we'll take change request table as an example today. So let's navigate to change request table. So today we'll take a demo use case. Whenever we insert a new change request, a normal change, let's take normal change as an example here. So when we are inserting a new change record here, we have some related lists under change request. For example, let's save this new change record here. So I'm just giving short description and description as test. So when we save this change request record, when we insert a new record, we have popping up with some tests here. So we have change tasks under change request. So the use case will be something like when a change request is inserted, when a normal change request is inserted, there should be a change task inserted and attached to it. So this will be the demo use case today. So let's do it manually first, then we'll check how it will be how we'll doing it in business rules using GlideQuery. So we have created the change request already. So let's create this change task manually first. So we are clicking new here and we are giving short description and description manually here. And if we submit this change task is created and it is attached to the parent change request, which is this. Okay, so we'll automate this when a new normal change is created. So the change task should be created and attach it to it. So for that, from change request, we'll open business rules and let's create a new business rule here, a demo business rule. So let's name it as demo GlideQuery via that business rule. And we have to mark advanced, so we can do some scripting here. So after this record is created, we are using after here because we need to copy that change request sysID to the change task and information as well, like short description or description, whatever we are using. And after inserting the record, and we can select here the model too. So I'm selecting model is one normal, as I mentioned. So the model is normal, and under advanced part, we can do scripting. So here we are creating the record on change task. Okay, when the change request is inserted, a normal change request is inserted, the task should be created and it should attach it with the change request. So for that, we are going to change task table here. So for that, we have to write in GlideQuery, we have to write new GlideQuery of the change task table name, which we'll get from the URL. Just copy it and paste it. And as we have discussed in our earlier sessions, we have dot insert method to create new records using GlideQuery. Further, we need to use JavaScript object here to map fields or insert field data. So here I'm using, we have to map change request field with the change request sysID as it is a parent field. It acts as a parent field. So for that, you need to take change request here and the value with the current sysID. As we are using, we are creating it on the current table. So we are using current sysID. It will act as a parent record on the change task. Okay, so then I'm copying the short description here. So for that, just go to short description and take backend name, mention it here, and we can map it with current dot short underscore description, which means the change request short description. Whatever the text we have given in the short description, it will copy to the task when it is created. Okay, and we can also map description too. So for that, we need to take description field's name under the task. So it is description. Yes. So we can give some manual text here. Please follow change request description. So it will show the manual text, the manual string we have entered. So with these values, a change task will be created when we insert a new normal change request. So let's save this and check how it is working. This is it. Let's go back to change request table. So we'll create a new normal change. And here, as we are copying the short description to the task through the BR, we are giving some text here. So which will be something like testing GlideQuery demo BR, as we are doing the same. So this record is once inserted, a change task should be created and attached to this change. So now this change is created with the number 33003. When we navigate to change task, here you can see a new change task is created, and whatever the fields we have mapped in the business rule, it is copied. For example, here we have copied the change request number as well as short description testing glide query demo BR, which we have given in the change request. And this is we have given static value under the description field. Here you can see. So it is working here in this scenario. So this way we can use glide query to insert new records. In our upcoming videos, we are going to learn some more use cases and scenarios based on real-time use cases. So keep watching. Thank you.